Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited to do this video as I'm going to recreate one of my favorite makeup artist look. Her name is Katie Jane Hughes and I've come across her through Instagram. And believe me, I love her, I adore her. Her makeup skills are so flawless and effortless. I have tried a lot of her tips and tricks and they work on me so well. So I thought I'll recreate this look right here for today's video. And believe me when I say this, it was so difficult to pick and choose just one look to recreate. If it was in my hand, I would recreate all of her looks and tag her everywhere I can. So that is how much I like her. So I thought I'll just give it a try and try this look today as it looks so simple. It is like one eyeshadow with pink nude lips. So it's quite easy also, at least it looks very easy. So I'll try my best to recreate it. And before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's get into this video. So guys, I've already prepped my skin as I wanted the moisturizer to seep in well. I've seen her do that in a lot of her Insta live. So with eyebrows, I'm simply giving them shape. So I'm giving them an upward direction and then setting it with some brow gel. I'm using the PALLADIO Brow Obsessed, just trying to achieve the eyebrows that she has. So I'm moving in with some primer. Now generally I haven't seen her applying any primer, not most of the times, but I went with a primer to get a smooth texture to my skin. With concealer, I'm using this Age Rewind concealer. Just like me, she also does go with her concealer first, and this is how she applies concealer. I've seen her just take some concealer onto her brush and go in with it. So I'm just dotting it around my face and then I'm going to blend it away. So initially I did start out with a sponge, but then later on I understood that the sponge was not really giving me the kind of coverage that I wanted. But then I thought I'll just blend it away with the sponge and then I'll fix it. But on the other note, I really like this Blue Heaven sponge. I have been using it non-stop. Also, all the products I've used are quite on the affordable range, so you can definitely give it a try. Make sure the products are well blended. I have learned this from her that blending is the key. So to fix it, I'm just going in with a brush. Moving to my foundation, I'm using this Wet n Wild foundation. Now with her, she uses a very little product and she just looks flawless. I don't know how, but then I thought I'll go with a complete proper foundation and concealer. So here I'm just applying foundation onto the areas that I need a little more coverage. And yes, I ditched my sponge and I'm now using my brush. I'm going to powder my face. Now with her, she uses a lot of cream products, but because I'm from the oily skin type, I thought I should powder, and that is how I have changed few of her routines to suit my skin tone and type. But I'm using very less powder and I've baked under my eyes for the eyeshadow fallout. Moving to my eyeshadow, I'm using this orange shade on my crease. So what this will do is it will form a good base from your eyelids to your crease for that orange color to pop. This is just to make sure that all the eyeshadows that I've used looks one. Very lightly, using very light feather touches to do my crease. I really like this palette. This is from Makeup Revolution. Till now, if you have seen my videos, you know I am a big Makeup Revolution fan. I'm going to also take it down my lower lash line. Again, another palette from Makeup Revolution. I'm using this orange color with my ring finger and applying it all over my eyes. ignore my funny face. I don't know why I make such faces while applying eyeshadow. I really liked how this orange shade was looking. Also, I have prepped my eyes so it was popping even more. Used just one eyeshadow, liquid orange color, but because I didn't have any, so I thought I'll go in with multiple colors to just achieve the look. Next, I'm going in with this NICKA liquid eyeshadow. So the glitter effect that she has on her eyes will be achieved with this eyeshadow. Created one look with just this liquid eyeshadow on my Instagram. So if you want, you can check that out too. This liquid eyeshadows are bomb and they are so affordable. I'm going to use this fixing spray and I'm going to take the orange shade from before and apply it on my lower lash line. I first thought of going in with the liquid eyeshadow, but then that would have been too much and it would look chunky. So I just went with the orange eyeshadow from before. I'm going to remove off my bake. It was sitting for quite some time now. Also, the eyeshadows didn't have much of a fallout. Moving on to my blush, I'm going to use this W7 palette, and she uses mostly her lipstick as her blush, but because I've already powdered, I just went with the powder blush, and these blushes do have a sheen to them, so the glow and the glowy effect that she has in her makeup will be achieved with this. Also, she does this one thing where she highlights only one part of her face, so with this same palette I'm going to use the lighter shade to do that. I went a little overboard on my nose, but I'm going to fix it. So now I have used the setting spray on my sponge and I'm just taking the excess powder and everything away. She always uses her bronzer at the end of her makeup, so I'm doing the same here. Usually I don't do this, but then yes, today I tried. According to her, it just gives her a more precision as to how much of a bronzer she needs, and I can totally agree with that. Moving to my lips, I'm going to first line my lips and then use this Maybelline lip color. So she uses her lipstick with a lip brush. Usually I don't do that, and I like my lipstick to be, really full coverage. But then I did try it. She goes for a more diffused look with her lipsticks, so I thought I'll give it a try. And that's it for the final look. You can see how this look is looking. It is so pretty. Like, she is still looking gorgeous, drop dead, but I did manage to reach somewhere in the between. So guys, this was it for this video. I'm in love with how this look is looking and I did not expect it, but then this orange and this lip is such a bomb combination. I've also tried to inculcate a few of her tips and tricks throughout this video. And yes, that's about it, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like and comment below. Until next time, bye, take care.